Hi everyone and welcome to Display Repair. If your car's engine has a problem with rough idling, then this video might help. So when you start the engine, instead of the usual smooth, evenly purring of the engine, it runs rough, sputters, shivers and jumps around the engine bay. We'll show you some of the most common reasons for this problem in the hope that it will help find and perhaps solve the problem. Rough idle can be a very complicated and tedious problem to solve because, as you'll see, there are numerous reasons for it. But more about that in the video, so stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Throttle body problems. A bad throttle body is a very common reason for a rough idle. In most cases, the problem is caused by carbon buildup on the butterfly valve, which jams it and causes it to get stuck to the body. Also, there may be problems with the throttle body position sensor if there is one, or with the mechanism that drives the butterfly valve. Bad ignition coils and electric contacts. Next common reason are bad ignition coils. Ignition coils get faulty mostly due to material fatigue, since they are constantly exposed to engine heat and very high voltage that helps produce the spark. The coil can fail in a way that it does not work at all, or short circuits the high voltage to the engine. Both of these can cause a rough idle. Besides the coils themselves, bad electric contacts to the ignition coils can cause problems. The engine heat or physical damage can break the wires or plastic connectors and cause partial or complete loss of electric contact or even a short circuit. Bad spark plugs. Closely connected to the ignition coils are the spark plugs. Spark plugs are a very durable car part, but over time, due to material fatigue and the constant strain of high voltage, they may start producing a weak spark or stop working completely. But in most cases, if you do regular maintenance and change them on time, this shouldn't be a problem. On this part, worth mentioning is that if you have spark plug cables instead of ignition coils, they are also worth the check. Material fatigue or physical damage can cause them to completely or partially lose contact, and this will also cause a rough idle. Air intake problems. Another common reason for rough idling are problems with the air intake system. Punctured hoses and ducts, loose clamps, poorly fitted hoses, ducts and air boxes after certain repairs are the most common problems. These problems are easy to fix but are hard to find in most cases. Also, a very clogged and dirty air filter will cause a rough idle. All in all, any kind of air leak in the system may cause an idle problem. Vacuum leaks. Closely related to air leaks and air intake problems are vacuum leaks. These are mostly caused by punctured or broken hoses, like the hose leading to the brake servo for instance, but also because of loose clamps or ill-fitted hoses. Just like air leaks, these are easy to fix in most cases, but are hard to pinpoint. A bad O2 sensor. A bad O2 sensor is also a fairly common reason for problems. Since the O2 sensor monitors the exhaust fumes and according to that sends signals to the car's computer, the ECU, if the sensor is faulty, it sends a false signal. This leads to the ECU commanding a too rich or too lean air-fuel mixture, which can lead to a rough idle. A bad fuel pump. On almost all cars, the fuel pump is electric, and over time these can start to malfunction mostly due to material fatigue or lack of lubrication. Then the fuel pressure within the system will either weaken, work intermittently, or there will be no pressure at all. In this case, the rough idle will be caused by a weak fuel pressure or when the pump works intermittently. Bad fuel injectors. Next, regarding the fuel intake system, a common reason for a rough idle are the fuel injectors. This is a more common problem than with the fuel pump, especially in countries with poor fuel quality or where there is poor maintenance and the fuel filter isn't changed on time. The fuel injectors can get clogged or suffer from material fatigue. In both cases, the injector will not produce a stream but will leak into the cylinder. This then prevents proper combustion and will cause a rough idle but also poor engine performance overall. On this part, it must be mentioned that this can be prevented to some extent by regularly changing the fuel filter. Sensor problems. On modern cars, sensors are a fairly common reason for a rough idle. Sensors are the eyes and ears of various systems on the car's computer, and when they malfunction, they send a false signal or no signal at all. Regarding a rough idle problem, the sensors that cause the most problems, besides the mentioned O2 sensor, are the MAP and MAF sensors, which either malfunction due to material fatigue or get dirty over time. A bad idle control valve. Finally, if there is an idle control valve on the throttle body of your car, it may also cause a rough idle. This valve regulates the air that enters the engine while it's idling. On lots of cars, it's been replaced by an electronic throttle body. The idle control valve starts causing problems and a rough idle when it gets stuck open, it gets stuck closed, or when it's clogged. The list you've seen here is not definitive, but these are the most common reasons for a rough idle. There can be other problems that mostly depend on the type of car you drive and specific problems related to those cars. It may also depend on the fuel quality in your country. It depends on what kind of maintenance is done on the car and else. The good side of this problem is that in most cases you have enough time to find and solve the problem, and also the car is usually still drivable. Nevertheless, the moment you notice the rough idle, solve the problem as soon as possible. A rough idle puts unnecessary strain to the engine, and if you continue driving this way, it can cause bigger problems. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.